How's it going, everybody? I'm gonna give you a quick walk around on the truck. Some of y'all have requested it, so nothing fancy, nothing really done with it. Like I said in a previous video, just the accumulator bypass is really all I've done. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. Even the tune. No lift kit or anything like that. Headlights, they're pretty good. I had a 2020 that had the projector headlights, and honestly they're both pretty good. Really can't see any further with them, but I did have a while back a deer hit this one. You can kind of see where there's a little bend. I tried bending it out as much as possible, but had to pay $700 to get this replaced. Replaced it myself, but it cost $700, where if I had the old projector style, it would have been a lot cheaper. I probably would have got aftermarket, but went with a OEM. So I got this truck used. It's a 2022 TRD off-road. When I got it, had about 26,000 miles. Nothing really fancy. Whoever the previous owner, I took decent care of it. Had these seat covers. These are the Classio, I think. Guess that's how you pronounce it. But really good seat covers. Classio. Other than that, nothing special. Truck's been pretty good. This is a manual transmission. Other than that, that's about it, really. Tires are starting to wear. Right now I got about 45,000 miles on them, on the truck. These right here, Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. They're pretty noisy tires. I'm definitely going to get probably a different tire when it's time. But that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, let me know. I like it with this grill. I don't really like the TRD Pro grill on it, but oh yeah, I also got underneath the TRD Pro skid plate. Other than that, that's about it. If y'all have any questions, let me know.